Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'll be showing you guys how to melt your lace down. First, we start getting your cornrows down. I'll be using Bold Hold Active today. This is a sharp cut bob full lace wig that I cut, plucked, and bleached from Beeos on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Let's jump straight into it right now, guys. I'm fitting on the wig to make sure that all sides of the wig fit. Right here, I'm adjusting the back straps on the wig to make sure that the wig is secured before I glue it down. Right after that, we start our first layer of glue, and right into that, I'm going to use a comb and I'm going to spread it out into thin layers and make sure that it dries clearly. After the first layer dries clearly, go in with the second layer and spread it out with the comb just as you did with the first layer. This is the third layer of glue, and then I'll just be repeating what I did in the first and second layer. After the third layer of glue, you pick up your lace and you place it on top of the glue. Right after I place the lace down, I go in with my comb and I push down that piece of lace with the end of my comb. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I'd be lying if I say you're someone that I'm into. And don't be standing in front of your friends, you know I'm not into that. Don't need to hide, don't even try. You could be mine, oh, you could be mine. Oh, you say you want to take control. Oh, you say you want to take control. The way you did to me, a big back, no kissing, babe. Now we're gonna put the first layer of glue on the sides. No kissing, babe. And don't call me babe. Let go, my baby, give me let go. I don't know what's wrong with expressing how I feel. You don't know what's wrong, especially how I feel. You said you wanna take me away, said you wanna take me away, No, you're the reason that I'm singing this song. To the early morning, no, we find you. Go Miami, hey, go Miami. No way tomorrow, we go shy, we find you. Go Miami, hey, go Miami. Let go,
Now we go in with our second layer of glue. After that dries, we go in with our third layer. After that dries, then we pick up the lace and we place it onto the glue. Then I pick up my comb and I go in and I push it down and place it on firmly on the glue and comb away the baby hair so that it doesn't get stuck in the glue. Right here, I'm just ensuring that none of the baby hairs get stuck inside the glue, so I'm just pulling out all of it with the comb.
Hope your love goes sweet past the shit though. Baby boy, they say he think my body is a kilo. I hope says I'll be go watch it. Hope his love goes sweet past the shit though.
So I went ahead and glued the rest of the wig with the steps that we did in the previous 2 steps. Just to ensure that this wig blends way more with my skin tone, I went in with this LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in Ebony on the lace. So now I'm going in with my straightener brush that I got for Christmas, just to straighten up the top a bit, just to make sure that it's lying down flat.
So why you gonna do it like that? Why you gonna keep that thing from me? Baby, don't do it like that. Why you gonna act like you don't know? Baby, don't do it.
To keep away from the flyaways, I go in with this Got to Be Free spray on my comb, spray a bit, and then I go and comb on top of the wig.
I know you feel it in the bone inside your body. I know you need someone to hold, somebody like me. So baby, don't do like that. Baby, don't do it like that. Oh, yeah, forget Ethiopia. Miss it, forget Ethiopia. Oh, yeah, what be the matter? Miss it, what be the matter? Oh, yeah, forget Ethiopia.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. This is both of the sides glued. I'm just going to go back in and pull out my hairs with the comb, and it's pretty much done.
6 o'clock in the morning, send him a text while I'm yawning. I'm calling. I said I'm calling. 6 o'clock in the morning, send him a text while I'm yawning. I'm calling. About January, me new be pantoma. And como de na me new be yeah, opinion habito. It could be bedroom belly, come for some lollipop. I got money on me, I'm loyal. I got money in my pocket, I'm loyal.